Recently I posted the unboxing of Acer Spin 5 convertible laptop, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the device. We will talk about its design, features, performance and all of its pros and cons. So here we go. It comes with magnesium aluminum alloy body. It weighs just 1.2 kilograms and it is 14.9 mm thin, and even though it is less than 15 mm thin, it comes with lots of slots and ports. We got a 360-degree hinge that converts the Acer Spin 5 from a laptop to a tablet. The build quality is nice, but even though it comes with a metal body, it looks and feels a bit like plastic. It comes with a 13.5-inch 2K resolution display that is protected by cotton Gorilla Glass, and the aspect ratio is 3:2 that provides a better reading and viewing experience on Spin 5. The screen to body ratio is 80% and the bezels are just 7.78 mm thin. The top and bottom bezels are comparatively thicker compared to the left-right bezels. The display quality is really nice and it is very bright as well. And since it is a touchscreen display, it is perfect for the tablet mode. Talking about the slots and ports, we got a charging port, 2 Thunderbolt, 3 USB Type-C port. So using these Thunderbolt ports, you can connect multiple 4K display, you can perform data transfer at blazing fast speed, and you can even charge the Acer Spin 5 using any of these 2 Thunderbolt ports if you forget to bring the charger with the device. And then we got the HDMI port, a USB port, there is micro SD card reader provided as well, and this is once again a nice inclusion as more and more laptops are removing this particular slot. And then on the right side we got the slot to lock the laptop, 3.5 mm jack, and once again a USB port along with LED indicators and the power key, and right next to them you will find the slot for the Wacom stylus. And if you still want to add more ports, for example RJ45 etc., then you can use a multimedia hub like the Belkin USB-C multimedia hub I got here. For connectivity we got dual band Wi-Fi 6 and multi-user, multiple input, multiple output protocol on Acer Spin 5. And because of that, Acer Spin 5 can easily connect with multiple devices and individually communicate with them at high speed. Now talking about the hardware specs and performance, Acer Spin 5 comes with 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM and 1TB SSD storage. In our benchmarking test, Acer Spin 5 achieved very nice score, and even in real life the performance was very impressive. You will be able to perform all of your usual tasks without facing any issue. You can even do above average video editing on this device, and it supports mid-range games as well. And the best part is that since this is a convertible laptop, if you are playing games using the mouse and keyboard, you can easily convert the Spin 5 into a tablet, and then you can enjoy your favorite games on a 13.5-inch screen tablet. It comes with dual front speakers with Acer True Harmony and DTS audio, and the audio quality is really nice. It's loud, clear and rich, so the entertainment experience is going to be very good on Acer Spin 5. Doesn't matter if you are playing games or just watching videos on this device. Talking about the battery life, Acer claims that Spin 5 can provide nearly 15 hours of battery life, but in my case I was able to get around 7 hours of battery life on my regular usage, and still it's good performance. But on average usage, I believe it can easily survive for more than 10 hours for sure. Acer Spin 5 comes with a backlit 10 keyless keyboard that is quite good for typing. The keyboard travel distance is nice and it allows you to type quickly without causing any error. The only thing I'm missing here is that on the keyboard itself there is no indication for the caps lock, and that's why it messed up my typing many times. The fingerprint sensor is easy to set up and it is very accurate and fast. The keypad is taller compared to the width, and because of that you will be able to use it easily and accurately without facing any issue. Another highlighted feature of Acer Spin 5 that it comes with Acer Active Stylus with Wacom AES. So you can use this stylus for various creative purposes, and the best part is that it is a rechargeable stylus and you can charge it by simply putting it in its slot. By just charging it for 15 seconds you will get nearly 90 minutes of battery life, and that is quite impressive as well. Overall, Acer Spin 5 is a great convertible laptop for content creators and professionals equally. It is thin and lightweight, It comes with a gorgeous screen. It provides lots of options when it comes to slots and ports. We got two Thunderbolt 3 ports that you can use for multiple purposes. The battery life is quite impressive as well. We got Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. It comes with 10th Gen Core i7 processor, Intel Iris Plus graphics, a rechargeable Wacom stylus. The overall performance is nice and impressive in nearly every aspect. So if you are looking for a convertible laptop with great performance, nice build quality, gorgeous screen, good amount of slots and ports, and a stylus, then Acer Spin 5 is one of the best options for you for sure. So that's all for now, friends. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.